मेकर्स हमने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की है कि जितने ऑथेंटिकली, जितने अनअपोलोजेटिकली और जितने ग्रैंडली हम इस स्टोरी को सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं पूरे ग्लोब में एक वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज के जरिए लेके आ पाए.
To believe that okay, there are filmmakers out there who know that I'm capable of much more than what they've seen.
I would call him a hero which can only be alive once in centuries.
So last time we met, you were in the look of Chhava.
जी.
So now the look is for.
वो मैं आपको अगली फिल्म के जब प्रमोशन के लिए आऊंगा तब मैं बताऊंगा कि पिछली फिल्म में क्या लिखा.
No, that was very striking look at that time when Animal had just released.
जी जी जी.
So we thought that you are in the mood. Now tell me, back to back these biopics. And so how different is this, and how intense is this, and what was the challenge for you to build this character?
पिछले कुछ सालों में हुए हैं कुछ बायोपिक्स, बीच बीच में अलग फिल्में भी आई हैं. जरा हटके जरा बच के आ गई थी, बैड न्यूज आ गई थी पिछले साल. तो बट आई थिंक मैं नेचुरली बड़ा अट्रैक्ट हो जाता हूँ रियल लाइफ स्टोरीज, रियल लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स को लेकर, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है हमारी इतिहास में इतने महान हस्ती रह चुके हैं. इंडिया एज अ कंट्री इतने कॉन्फ्लिक्ट से गुजर चुका है और इतने ब्रेव स्टोरीज हैं हमारे इतिहास में कि हमें इमेजिन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. हम अगर इतिहास में ही झांक के देखें तो इतने सारे महान हस्ती रहे हैं जिनके बारे में अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज की पीढ़ी को पता नहीं है. कई वो लाइक जैसे इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट कि हम कहते हैं कि छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज एक अनसंग हीरो है. उनकी गाथा तो पता होनी चाहिए और वही हमारा एक स्मॉल एफर्ट रहा है कि हम कहानी लेकर आए बाहर.
But those who have studied history, and I think people should, they know about Sambhaji Maharaj.
Those who have studied history they know, but not everybody has studied history.
In school we study.
But क्या होता है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मैंने भी स्कूल में, जैसे मैं तो महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड से हूँ, हमारे हिस्ट्री बुक्स में छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज के बारे में लिखा जाता था. स्कूल में क्या होता है कि when you are as kids and you are not pursuing history आगे, आई थिंक वो आप सिर्फ एक स्टैटिस्टिक्स की तरह आप उसे पढ़ते हो.
Okay.
इतने से इतने साल तक उन्होंने राज किया, इतनी उम्र तक वो जीवित थे, इतने युद्ध लड़े. 2 साल बाद फिर वो स्टैटिस्टिक्स आप कहीं ना कहीं भूल जाते हो. आपको पता रहता है कि हाँ मैंने पढ़ा है, पर उसकी एक इमोशनल ग्रेविटास क्या होती है, उसका मतलब क्या होता है कि वो आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए क्या छोड़कर गए, उनके बलिदान क्या थे, उसकी एक मैग्नानिमिटी क्या है, वो आई थिंक सिनेमा के द्वारा, किताबों के द्वारा, किसी भी आर्ट फॉर्म के द्वारा आप उसकी इमोशनल डेप्थ को आप लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हो. सो वही इस फिल्म से
But that emotional depth sometimes gets romanticized. So
But that's the responsibility on the makers. That's the responsibility on the makers. हमने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की है कि जितने ऑथेंटिकली, जितने अनअपोलोजेटिकली और जितने ग्रैंडली हम इस स्टोरी को सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं पूरे ग्लोब में एक वर्ल्ड वाइड रिलीज के जरिए लेके आ पाए, वो हमने कोशिश की है.
So what are your takeaways after doing? How do you know Chhava? How do you know Sambhaji Maharaj now?
I think
was he a flawed hero? हाँ जी? Was he a flawed hero or a true hero or a nationalist?
I would call him a hero which can only be alive once in centuries.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो कहते हैं कि अगर लोगों के लिए जीना कैसा है छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज से सीखिए, पर लोगों के लिए मरना कैसा है वो छत्रपति संभाजी महाराज से सीखिए. उनके बलिदान मैं अब डिटेल्स नहीं दे सकता वरना वो रिवील हो जाएगा, पर वो सोच के मुझे आज तक यकीन नहीं होता कि एक इंसान उतनी यातनाएं झेल सकता है, उसके थ्रू जा सकता है, जस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट हिज वैल्यूज, जस्ट टू लिव फॉर, डाई फॉर हिज पीपल. और जो एक वो अपनी मिट्टी के लिए, अपने देश के लिए जीना सब जानते हैं, पर उतनी यातनाएं द्वारा आप अपना देह छोड़ दें, अपने प्राण त्याग दें, वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. वो सिनेमा से भी हम उसको एक इमोशनल फील करवा सकते हैं, बट टू एक्चुअली इमेजिन 40 दिन जो टॉर्चर हुआ था उनका वगैरह, वो यकीन नहीं होता. सो वो आई थिंक मेरे हिसाब से वो जैसे महाराष्ट्र में अगर आप आएंगे महाराष्ट्रियंस के लिए, वो सिर्फ एक किंग और योद्धा नहीं है, वो भगवान नुमा है.
Right.
और मैं भी उनको भगवान नुमा ही मानता हूँ.
And perhaps that's why there are 3-4 films that have come out.
Of course, वो मराठी
लैंग्वेज
में. पर क्या हो जाता है कि when you're showing a historical, एक basic factor that comes into play, which is a very practical factor, is budget. और उनकी अगर उनकी वैभव को दिखाना है, उनकी ग्लोरी को दिखाना है, तो एक तरीके का बजट रिक्वायर्ड होता है. वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू दिनेश विजन सर जिन्होंने वो बजट प्रोवाइड किया ताकि हम पूरी ग्लोरी के साथ वो मराठा एम्पायर को हम दिखा सकें.
But what happens is while portraying such characters, the filmmakers or the actors, they start looking at the past from the prism of today. and get politicized in some sense.
देखिए हमारी फिल्म बेस्ड है जो शिवाजी सावंत जी की कादम्बरी है
जी।
छावा, तो हमने उनके राइट्स लिए और उस किताब पर बेस्ड है। तो हमने अपनी तरफ से हिस्ट्री नहीं क्रिएट किया है, हमने अपनी तरफ से ये नहीं किया हमने यहाँ से सुना वहां से सुना और उस हिसाब से हमने ये किया है। हमारे व्यूज क्या है, हमने एक बुक पे बेस करके ये फिल्म बनाई है, जिस बुक का नाम भी छावा ही था।
Right. Because I'm asking this because some time back, but destiny has played a big role in your career, and I think some time back you were destined to play Aurangzeb, and now you are playing
Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj.
who took him on.
Yeah.
So please tell me something about how is the mental frame on this.
I think God's plan is always the best plan. I think God always intervenes and says that, listen, you don't know what you're doing in life. I will tell you what needs to be done in life.
Right, and it says you, something about your range also, that you could fit into these roles. That's why I'm asking about those biopics.
Yeah.
That you could be Sam Bahadur, you could.
I
be
try my
Abhishek.
best. I try my best, and I'm very happy with the way people received it and resonated with it. I keep trying to do my best with every film, and I think I'm also blessed with great filmmakers. क्योंकि eventually तो ये cinema director का medium होता है. Actors are merely vessels through which that story gets to be told. But हाँ अपनी तरफ से तो best ही देते हैं और अभी तक के लिए I'm very grateful to the audience who supported me.
And why I asked about this thing that when historical figures, the danger of historical figures being started to look as gods.
Yeah.
Is that the controversy that erupted that Sambhaji was dancing. So that's why in the history books what I have read is that he had a kind of a colorful youth
But so that's why also
And that
छत्रपति
reflected-
संभाजी महाराज के बारे में बहुत गलत भी लिखा हुआ है, बहुत गलत भी बताया गया है over a period of time, and like I said again, we have based it on a book.
Yep.
So जो भी आप फिल्म में देखेंगे that's directly taken from the book.
Right, but as an audience, you will like to see that unidimensional portrayal of it.
I mean, we've tried to keep it as holistic and
As holistic,
as many dimensions as we could put to the character.
Rashmika, you become a pan-Indian heroine. We have so many pan-Indian heroes, and then you are a pan-Indian heroine now.
Oh,
So tell me how big a challenge is this, and this doing back-to-back films which are hero-centric in some sense. So to make space for an actor, for a competent actor, it becomes a task for doing such films. So how big a challenge is this, and how have you been able to kind of create a
I feel
niche for
blessed
yourself?
that someone from Coorg, someone from the south of India has gotten to play a Maharani, Maharashtrian Maharani. I feel like that itself is such a big blessing because Lakshman sir was able to visualize me as a Maharani despite of me having a completely different background. So for me that was extremely honor to believe that okay, there are filmmakers out there who know that I'm capable of much more than what they've seen of me so far. And like I like being a part of great storytelling, great films. It doesn't have to always revolve around me. I like saying great stories. I love working with great filmmakers and great actors because they're the people who keep making me push my boundaries in terms of performance. Today and the performer that I am is because all of the people I've worked with. And I'm amazed of the actor that I am today because I don't come from a theatre background. I've never had anything to do with acting or exposure to acting. I've just learnt it on the job and it's taken me a while to learn it in the job. But I'm really grateful for where I am today and I know that I'll just keep getting better and that is only going to be because of the people who I work with.
Getting the cultural nuances is a struggle for you, or how do you?
As in, when you have a director like Lakshman sir, who you completely surrender with, because he is a Marathi himself, he knows all of this culture, like he's born and brought up in it. So, for me, I came in as a white slate, and he had to just guide me how he wanted to portray me, and I felt like I just surrendered to sir, and I was like, okay, this is what it is.
Any example there that?
In terms of like, I came in with a notion of, okay, now I'm doing a period drama, so I want to be able to do like so much preparation that I wanted to go beyond my capabilities and learn so much more new things and everything. And one thing he said was, work on your dialect, everything else will be taken care of. You just have to be you.
Okay.
So that I was like, okay, so sir is very clear of what he wants from me, and I'm here to deliver that. So let me just like, because it's not every time as a woman you get to work with directors who are so clear on what they want that they want no changes. Like here I was thinking Lakshman sir is so clear on what he wants, so I was just like, okay, so you lead the ship.
Vicky, you are coming with experience of period films, and Lakshman is coming after doing romantic comedies or those light-hearted stories. So you were more experienced in.
Actually, sir, not at all. No matter how many period films you do, I was still in the 20th century. But this is straight the 17th century, and it's a different
He was
ball
the
game.
21st.
It's a different
Mimi
ball game
and-
altogether. नहीं, but फिर भी when you go historical,
अच्छा.
the moment आपके पास घोड़े, हाथी, तलवार वो आ जाते हैं, it's a different ball game. I think it's a first for all of us, be it Rashmika, me, Lakshman sir, Dinesh Vijan, Maddock Films. For all of us, it's our first historical period film. And it's always very challenging. This genre in itself for each and every person is very challenging. It's a big task and a big challenge to take up. So that's why it took so much time. It's an effort of about 4 years. Lot of people, masterful technicians involved, be it the VFX, the action, music by A.R. Rahman sir, lyrics by Irshad Kamil sir, the cinematography, every aspect has taken a lot of time and effort to just bring this story forward. So it was equally challenging for all of us.
In your previous films, in particularly in Udham, you made it very subtle. It was not here
Because,
you
sir,
are out
film-
there.
That film was very clear that Sujit sir said that I want to. It's about the state of mind of the character. It's not about how you walk, how you talk, what's the physicality. उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. It's not an event film. I want to get into the mind of a freedom fighter. I want to get into the mind of a revolutionary. So that's why the treatment, the grammar, and also it's directed by Sujit Sarkar. He has his own grammar and purity when he tells stories. So that's why the language was different in that.
And this is more Parsi theatre style out there.
This is see, you have to stay true to the culture also in terms of अगर आप मराठा एम्पायर कह रहे हैं तो उनके वो पहलू थे, वो उनके कपड़ों में वो रंग थे, वो वाइब्रेंसी थी. जब आप रायगढ़ का किला देखते हो उसमें वो एक चारकोल ग्रे एक भव्यता थी उसमें, घोड़े, that color, and also क्या होता है कि when you're depicting somebody's glory, that time, that era, at this scale with this such grandeur, you have to put attractive colors to attract the people in also, because at the end of the day this is not documentary, it's a cinematic experience. So in today's time, to tell that story along with giving vital information, you also have to entertain the people for those 2.5 hours. So of course that vibrancy is
For
required.
you as an actor, you to get to that high pitch and
Yeah.
then still retain that honesty of the
Yeah,
character.
yeah.
So that becomes a bit of a task
It's
for
yeah.
younger actors today.
It's
that
a
they are-
challenge because it requires a lot of conviction. It requires a hell of a lot of conviction कि आपको वो pitch झूठा ना लगे खुद. क्योंकि अगर मुझे झूठा लगेगा, ऑडियंस को भी वो झूठा लगेगा. तो उस pitch में वो सच्चाई ढूंढना एक चैलेंज है. बट आई थिंक जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, इस पे काम करने का वक्त बहुत मिला. ऐसा नहीं था कि पिछली फिल्म से अब निकला हूँ और 2 हफ्ते में इस पे आना है. आई गॉट 6 months to cook this character, internalize this character, physicality, emotions, everything I got to work on it. So I think वो जो slow cooked process होता है ना, तो उसमें खाना अच्छा पकता भी है. तो हमने तो अच्छे से गलाया है, अच्छे से पकाया है.
मुगल ही बना है.
हाँ, अब लोगों की बारी है, वो बताएंगे कि चख के कि कैसा लगा.
But you watched some period films for this. You have some
Not as
memories
a
of-
reference.
as a youngster.
Not as reference, but of course, as a youngster, I've been a fan of Gladiator. I've been a fan of Troy, Braveheart, all these
And Indian?
amazing stories. इंडियन में of course हम देखते आए हैं, बहुत सारी stories रह चुकी हैं, चाहे वो मुगल आजम हो, अभी हाल ही में बंसाली सर की जोधा अकबर हो, और जोधा अकबर नहीं, सॉरी, पद्मावत हो, इवन जोधा अकबर जो बनी थी. तो एक वो एक पीरियड ड्रामा का जो एक होता है कि टू गेट ट्रांसपोर्टेड इनटू अ डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड, उसका एक अपना चार्म तो होता ही है.
Right. You're saying it's going to be it's a complex character for you.
It
Finally.
was. It was.
In the sense of the
The trick
storytelling.
was to not make it unidimensional. हमारी तरफ से वो कोशिश है, बाकी ऑडियंस जनता बताएगी.